i35equipment.com. This is a John Deere 650 XLT Bulldozer. It's a nice little dozer. It's a legal load, so it's convenient to haul from job site to job site. Does have the full cab with factory air conditioning and heat. Working radio. It is Preplumbed with the extra control handle for adding a rear ripper set or a winch if you're interested in doing that. Here the reverse alarm is working. It has 3 rear working work lights and 2 front working work lights. Also has that 6-way blade. Interior looks good. It's got a John Deere seat, John Deere rubber floor mat. Welcome to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic operator or car wants to accompany if you like. Open by appointment only though, so just give us a call, get on the calendar. Phone number here 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you. If you have any issue, just fill out the form on our website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address, several local haulers, and a nationwide broker, and get back at the best hauling rate that comes back to us. We'll get you arrange your own hauling, or come pick it up for yourself if you're so quick. Also, our specialty here is consignment sales. So if you or someone you know has idle heavy equipment, just call to learn more about our consignment sales service or fill out the form on our website. Push some debris here for you. Show you that it does that nice and easily. Be a real nice finish dozer. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call. We'll show you where to dump and we'll unlock the gates for you. Please no trees, trash, or grass clippings. Go ahead and get it parked, then we'll take a look around, look inside the access panels, and end up in the operator station. Sounds good to my ear, but like I said, we welcome you to bring your mechanic, an operator, or hire someone who wants to come to you so you can get a professional opinion. The carriage looks excellent. We'll hop up on this side so we can get to that engine access point. I didn't see any blow by. Seems like a nicely maintained dozer. Alright, take a look around in here for a moment. So the AC is working. There's your factory operator's manual. Throttle. This is your drive controller. No lights, no issues, no concerns. Just seatbelt and parking brake. Should go off when we drop this. Yep. Currently sitting at 7.7, almost 7. So almost all 7s. 7,777 hours. There's your third controller. If you want to add, like we said, a winch or a ripper set to it. This is your blade controller. Windshield wipers, radio, HVAC controls. Working radio. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope this video has been beneficial to you. As always, you see our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.